Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to review our quiz.
السلام عليكم أستاذ، أنا تركي بندر.
Alaikum assalam, Turkey.
أنا بطل عادل القرشي.
Hello, Battal.
في اختبار؟ في حماد.
أيوة.
في اختبار ولا ايش؟ اختبار.
الحصة الثانية في اختبار الحين مراجعة.
أستاذ الحين الاختبار.
الحين ما في اختبار، الحين مراجعة، والحصة الثانية في اختبار.
متى اختبار؟ حقت الاختبار.
You have period number 6. طيب.
أستاذ الاختبار اليوم.
يا أخي اسمع يا أخي اسمع. You have quiz in period number 6. طيب اليوم فيه حصتين، حصة ثانية في اختبار. اوكي الحين مراجعة معنا. اوكي
السلام عليكم، أنا عبد الغني.
وعليكم السلام عبد الغني.
أستاذ اليوم في اختبار. عبد العزيز المالكي.
هلو عبد العزيز.
السلام عليكم، أنا فيصل خالد.
وعليكم
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، أنا عبد الرحمن حاتم.
وعليكم السلام عبد الرحمن حاتم.
خير الحمد لله. أستاذ اليوم في اختبار.
في لكن في حصة ثانية يا أخي. period number 2.
أستاذ اليوم في اختبار.
صوت حقنا كويس. You can hear me well. Abdurrahman, Hatem, Faisal, everybody?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so I told you that we have exam in second period, which is period number 6. Hissa sitta. You have exam, okay? Quiz, I will send you quiz. Tayyib? Don't ask me again. Yes, Yamin?
Not today. عشان أجاوب مو عشان سؤال. Not today.
Okay, I will ask.
Sure, not today.
Yes, today. Why not today? Okay, I'm going to start now.
I am Abdulaziz Muhammad Al-Harthi.
Hello, Abdulaziz Muhammad Al-Harsi. Just 1 second, let me arrange and I will start, okay?
أستاذ أنا الشاشة عندي مو باينة، كلها بيضة.
شوية انتظار، شوية صبر بس.
حتى أنا شاشة الشاشة مو بيضة.
الحين شوف يا أخي الحين.
ايوه شوف خلاص.
طيب شوية صبر بس. Okay. Question number 1. All of you be with me, okay? All of you be with me. I am not asking, I am just explaining, okay? أنا بس اشرح ما في أسأل. طيب don't raise your hands because I will not ask. Okay, one thing that tells us that a plant is unhealthy, that is unhealthy. Unhealthy means which is not healthy, not good. Okay. Yellow leaves tell us that a plant is not healthy or unhealthy. This is the right answer. Yellow leaves. Green leaves are of good plant or healthy plant, and flower is also find in healthy or good plants. Understood? So yellow leaves is the right answer for question number one. Question number two. Needs of a plant. يعني الشجر يبغى ايش؟ لو يبغى نمو يعني. Plants to grow, what they need? They need water and sunlight, heat and light, or fruit and water. Water and sunlight is the right answer for question number two, because plants need water and sunlight to make their food and stay healthy or keep healthy. Okay, question number three. Question number three is, okay, what do plants take from the air? What do plants take from the air? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, or water? Humans take oxygen from the air, right? Humans. But here we are talking about plants. Plants take carbon dioxide from the air. Plants take carbon dioxide from the air. It's a give and take process. Like we give to plants oxygen, carbon dioxide, and plants give us oxygen. Okay. Then parts of a plant. What are parts of a plant? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide? No, these are gases. Water, heat, and food? No. Stem, leaves, and roots? Yes, these are parts of a plant. Roots, leaves, and stem. Yamin Mustafa, don't disturb, please. For question number four, the answer is stem, leaves, and roots. Question number five. Which part takes in water from the soil? From the soil. Flower? No, we find flower on the top. Roots? Yes. Leaves? No, leaves are also outer part of the plant. So that's why roots take in water from the soil and give to the stem to transfer in all other parts of a plant. Next, roots have what? Face? No, it's wrong. Leaves? No, it's wrong. Roots have root hair. Root hair. This is the right answer. Roots have root hair. Okay, question number 7. Unjumble yani savi tartib, the property. The property is hard. No, because there is no D in this. Or rough or soft. There is no T, so that's why rough is the right answer. ROUGH. Rough. So rough is the right answer. Rough. Okay, this one was root here. Unjumble the property, this one, FOST. FOST, it should be for soft, right? So this is the right answer for this, because when you unjumble, you should compare the alphabet. Like here is D, and here you can't see any D small or D capital anywhere. So that is why we will select soft. Question number 9. Identify opposite. Opposite yani khalf. Opposite. Opposite of the property. Shiny. Shiny, that means which reflects the light, and dull is the opposite of shiny. Okay, shiny, dull. Strong. This is also opposite. Strong means mazboot. So answer is weak. Yani nahif. Strong, weak. Then opposite, the same, magnetic. The opposite of magnetic is non-magnetic. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. Magnetic, non-magnetic. Opposite yani bilaks. Okay. Question number 12.
يا أستاذ
Yes, but
أعيد رقم 11 بالله.
I will repeat with you. Don't worry, okay? Identify magnetic object. Magnetic object. Plastic and glass are non-magnetic. It means steel bar or steel nail. It's magnetic. طيب magnetic هو مس مع المغناطيس. Identify non-magnetic object. Steel nail is magnetic. Iron grill is also magnetic. So plastic is non-magnetic. Plastic is non-magnetic. Okay. Question number 14. Towel is made of towel. Towel is made of fabric, iron or wood. Towel is made up of fabric. Yani gumash. طيب. Gumash. Okay. Question number 15, sorry. Question number 15. Which of these are properties of materials? Properties of materials. Table and chair, these are names, yani nouns. Wood and iron are nouns. Soft and hard, these are properties. Properties yani sift. Okay. Again, unjumble the letter, this one. So W is there, but not all of it. Flower, yes, this one is right answer. F is there, Lower, flower. Roots have double O, so it's not there. There is only one O. Next, animals without backbone are called invertebrates. Without backbone are called invertebrates. Where there is no backbone, those are called invertebrates. طيب. Then animals with backbone are called with backbone are called vertebrates, like human, animals, birds, mammals, reptiles, amphibians. Group of vertebrates. Where are groups of vertebrates? Mammals, birds, amphibians, reptiles, fish. East, west, north or south, right, left, up or down. So first one is the right answer. Mammals, birds, amphibians, reptiles and fish. We read this before. Humans have dash senses. Humans have 5 senses. 5 senses. Okay, now I will ask one by one. طيب.
أستاذ نمبر 2.
Turki Bandar, Rakis Mahana, be with me. We will start now. Abdurrahman Muhammad, open your mic.
Yes.
Yes, question number 1. Faisal, wait, please, I said.
That tells you that a plant is unhealthy.
Unhealthy. One thing that tells you that the plant is unhealthy.
Yellow leaves.
Yellow leaves, nice. Okay, Abdul Ghani. Abdullah Hazrami. Abdullah Hazrami मौजूद?
Yes.
Okay, Abdurrahman An-Namari.
Yes, teacher.
Question number 2.
Need and a plan of a plan
To grow.
to grow
Yes. Yes, tell me.
water and supply.
Great,
Mas-
thank you. Abdul Aziz Al-Harsi.
Ustad, me.
Abdul Aziz Al-Harsi. Ammar Salman.
Me.
Yes, question number
Yes,
3.
teacher. Wait, do
What
lands.
do
What do lands take from he oil?
Hmm.
Grod.
What do
Garbage.
plants take from
Garbage.
the air? Oxygen, carbon
Garbage.
dioxide, or water?
Garbage.
Carbon dioxide. Thank you, Ammar. Okay, Asil, open your mic. Question number 4. Abdurrahman Somali. عندك مشكلة عشان كله شايف. عمار شوف هو يقرأ برضه. أسيل open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, question number 4. شاشة كويس يا أسيل? You can see the screen.
يا أستاذ يا أستاذ عبد الرحمن محمد موجود.
طيب أنت تأخر انتظار الحين. أسيل question number 4.
Part of plant.
What are parts of plant? Number 1, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Number 2, water, heat, and food. Number 3, stem, leaves, and roots.
3.
Yes, number 3, stem, leaves, and roots. Thank you, Asil. Aus Ahmed, open your mic.
Yes.
Yes, question number 5.
Which bear
Part, yes.
twigs in water from soil. Root.
Roots. Very nice, Aus. Thank you. Battal Hatim Al Gurshi. Battal Hatim Al Gurshi. طيب Battal Mansoor.
Teacher.
Yes. Question number 6. انت ما في جواب انا اكتب انت غايب.
لا أستاذ. Roots have
Yes.
roots live.
Roots have roots have يا بطال roots root face ولا leaf roots يا لا غلط بطال انت ما في موجود يعني ركز يا حبيبي تركي عبد الله please wait one by one. بطال منصور ركز يا حبيبي roots have roots here root here لازم ركز معانا. عندك كويز ان شاء الله في حصه 6. حذيفه open your mic please.
أنا كنت في دور المياه. أنا عبد الغني.
عبد الغني انتظار الحين. بطال بطال خلص. حذيفه yes. Question number 7. Unjumble the property. What is the right answer for these words, these alphabet? hard,
Okay, wait.
rough, or soft?
Okay, wait.
Okay, خلف الغامدي.
يا أستاذ أنا ما فهمت. ممكن ترجع.
أنا أقول سوي ترتيب هذا كلمات سوي واحد من هذا hard ولا rough ولا soft. أنت ما في ركز أول؟ أنا اشرح أول يا حبيبي.
Rug. Rug.
rough not rug, rough. ROUGH rough. طيب. Yamin, please wait one by one بالترتيب. طيب. Okay, Rashid. Rashid, open your mic. Are you there?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, question number
Yes,
8.
teacher. Number 8.
Yep.
Unjumble. شوف.
Unjumble the property यानी सभी तरतीब. FOST. HED hard, rough or soft?
Art.
hard यानी H मौजूद है ना. هذا H मौजूद في هذا. H is there in this. How can you make hard with these words?
Wait. Soft.
Soft, yes. Be with me, I said. Turki Abdullah, open your mic.
Hello.
Yes, question number 9. Identify opposite of the property shiny. Opposite, yani aks.
أقراها أستاذ.
Identify opposite of the property shiny. Opposite yani aks. Shiny. Is it dull, weak, or rigid?
استنى يا أستاذ. صوتك يقطع.
Yes, خلف الغامدي.
أستاذ لو سمحت.
Yes.
الاختبار والأسئلة تتضمن اللي هو أجزاء النبات.
ايوه انا
يعني
اشرح هذه. ايوه انا اشرح اول عشان هذا شويه غير.
يعني الدرس جايبه في صورة أسئلة في اختبار.
ايوه عشان انا اول اشرح عشان هذا مو موجود اول. هذا جديد.
ايوه طيب شكرا.
عفوا يا فيها جديد questions, new questions, so I am explaining this. Then we will have quiz in the next period. Khalf Ghamdi, who is this? Say your name, open your mic.
Me, Khalaf.
Khalaf, yes. Question number 9, please.
9, please.
9. Identify opposite of the property
Opposite
shiny.
of the shiny.
ايش opposite يعني عكس. dull ولا weak ولا rigid. ركز شوية. Okay, I need to answer in a second. Faisal, open your mic. Where are you?
Yes. Dog.
Yes, Faisal.
Yes.
Asil, don't ask for control. Yes, Faisal. Question number 9
Yes.
and 10.
9. Okay.
Identify
opposite of the properly shiny. Dill.
Dull. Yes. Question number 10. Like this, just in a second.
Edwin. Okay, Edwin.
Identify.
Opposite. Divide opposite of the property strong. Weak.
Strong. Yes, excellent يا فيصل. Like this, زي كده يعني. Everybody, ركز بس. Yamin, open your mic. Have you
Yes.
answered? Yes, question number 11, please.
Number 11. Ideal fit.
Identify.
Identify. Opposite. Opposite of
Opposite.
the
Property. Property. Magnetic.
magnetic.
What is the opposite? Hard, smooth, or non-magnetic? Yamin, please. Yes, non-magnetic. Yamin, please show your rakis, huh? Concentrate with me. Okay, Turkey Bandar.
Yes.
Open your mic and read question number 12.
12.
Yep. Identify.
Non-magnetic object. Steel nail. Nail. Steel nail.
Nail, okay. Plastic toy or iron grill?
Steel nail.
Non-magnetic. Non-magnetic is plastic toy. Plastic toy. Rakis ya Habibi, Rakis. طيب, Saud. Are you there, Saud?
No, yes.
Yes, question number 15. Oh, 14, sorry. Yalla, come on. Towel is made of what?
Towel.
Fabric, iron, or wood? Huh? Fabric yani gumash, iron yani hadid, wood yani khashab. Towel is made. لو انت موجود في الفصل ركز انت عارف جواب. I have explained this. انا اشرح اول يا حبيبي.
قماش.
Fabric, yes. Fabric is the right answer. Saeed Saif, are you there? Saeed Saif, open your mic. Safwan Al-Gurshi.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, question number 15, please.
Which of these are properties of
Materials.
Materials.
Table and chair, wood and iron, soft and hard.
Soft and
Excellent, yeah, Safwan. Thank you. Saeed Saif, if you come, open your mic. Abdurrahman Hadim.
Yes, please.
Yes, question number 16.
Flower.
Flower, okay, thank you. Abdurrahman Somali.
Yes.
Yes, question number 17. Animals without backbone. ما في عمود الفقري.
اللي
without
بالنص.
without यानी ما في عمود الفقري. Invertebrates, vertebrates, reptiles.
right. اللي تحت.
Invertebrates, invertebrates هذا موجود في الكتاب، هذا ما في جديد. Invertebrates وما في عمود الفقري. Invertebrates. Fahad, open your mic. Fahad, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Question number 18.
Huh?
Question number 18. 18.
Okay.
Animals with backbone यानी माल अमूद الفقري. لو अमूद الفقري موجود, what is the name? Invertebrates, vertebrates or insects? Animals with backbone यानी मौजूद अमूद الفقري. What is the name? Invertebrates, vertebrates or insects?
Vertebrates.
Yes. What? Who said this? Don't open your mic, Ammar. Please. I asked you, Fahad. Fahad, ركز شوية يا حبيبي. If you are here. Abdul Ghani, can you hear me?
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Question number 19. Groups of vertebrates.
19.
Yes. 1, 2 or 3 groups of
Many.
vertebrates. Yes, Abdul Ghani, groups of vertebrates. Vertebrates यानी animals
Yes,
with
yes.
with backbone यानी मौजूद अमूद الفقري. طيب, what are the groups? Mammals, birds, amphibians, reptiles and fish. ولا ثاني east, west, north and south ولا right, left, up and down. ايش جروب حق الحيوانات هو في عمود الفقري؟
Yes.
Yes يعني ايش يا عبد الله؟ A, B or C, 1, 2 or 3. ايش الجواب؟
One.
Number 1 east west هذا يعني طرفين طرف. هذا فوق تحت يمين يسار هذا غلط. Mammals, birds, amphibians and reptiles, this is the right answer for this عمود الفقري. If they have vertebrates, they are called vertebrates. If they have عمود الفقري يعني backbone. Last one, humans have
هذا أنا بجاوب.
5 بطال هاتم القرشي أنا قول لكن أنت ما في موجود. You didn't attempt your answer.
Humans have 5 senses.
Humans have 5 senses. Yes. طيب. Now period is going to be finished. Next period يعني हिस्सा 6 class number 6 I will send you the link. طيب. يلا okay, goodbye. Yes, Razan.
Goodbye. Goodbye. أستاذ عادي تعيد الحصة. باي باي. تيجي الحصة الثانية.
Faisal, I can't hear you. Just
الحصة هذه.
wait.
باي باي. باي شكل العادي الحصة هذه.
بطال هاتم دقيقة حبيبي.
باي باي.
باي يا راشد خلاص.
أستاذ.
Yes, فيصل. Now what?
في وقت للاختبار في وقت. يلا مع السلامة.
أيوة في لسه يعني period number 6.
What is the homework?
There is no homework. I will send you the link for quiz. Okay, in period number 6. طيب.
Okay. أستاذ عادي الحصة مسجلة؟ أستاذ ما في.
أيوة.
الامتحان.
يلا okay, goodbye. I will send you quiz. Goodbye.
Goodbye.